Yo ho, all hands. That's how it feels in here. Oh, I hate the cold. Okay, so let's get down. Let's get down to business. We have the E92 back in here. So what we're gonna do is replace the O2 sensor, and let's get this car back on the road. We got stuff to do. Looking mean. I went ahead and ordered the lower front grille. My paint job is terrible. But let me see how much space I have back here. Yeah, we've got enough. We should be able to get it up without having to open the garage. I went ahead and situated these. Let's see if we can get this. Let's get this up. I don't know if that sounded good, bad. Let me go around to the other side. That's not bad. We'll just bring it down some. That should be good. I'm gonna double check and make sure I'm able to close the garage without damaging the bumper. Yeah. Gotta love it. All right, let me check and make sure everything over here is good. Okay, so here is the O2 sensor before the catalytic converter. There it is. And also got some hose. I had to cut the hose when I was installing the what is that thing called? Oh boy, the gasket, man. Just a gasket. How you doing, buddy? Okay. Let's get some light in here. You guys like my ghetto setup? I'm using a garage freaking light as my. This the hood, ain't it? Okay, you know the deal. We're gonna have to remove this. And yeah, we gotta remove that. Let me just go ahead and get started. I don't think you guys want to see that. So I'm gonna pause it and see you guys when we've removed everything that we need to remove. Oh, now that must be much better. I forgot to turn on the mic. Oh well. There we go. Okay. Let's do this side. I can also remove this. You know what? I kind of want to remove the whole thing. So let's do that. Make things easier on ourselves. Right? Okay. Slide that out. Can my fingers do this? Yes, my fingers can. It's not a good idea. Hands are just gonna hurt. Just get in the way. Okay. This shouldn't be too hard. Okay. All right, now we need to take off the little beauty cover. Bought a whole bag of them, so decide to fall down in there and think I won't replace your already you're getting dusty. Just cleaned you a little bit. Okay. All right, so here we are. Which one is which though? Right here. This is great. And then we gotta go underneath and get to it. So I'm gonna unplug it from right here. Pop that out. Oh, hey. Hold on. That just kind of slid right out. Huh. That just kind of slid right out. Don't tell me when I connected it, I disconnected it like... Yeah, that just kind of slid right out. Huh. All right, pause. Okay. So I honestly think because the O2 sensor was so loose, that's what was giving me the problem. Because this just slid right out. So I want to go ahead and test this out. But before we do that, we can replace our lines here. Yep, it is a, what is that, brake booster? What is that? Yep, brake booster. So we're going to replace our line here. And I'm gonna go test this out because I honestly think that it was just loose. And if that's the case, if it's not broken, I am not fixing it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use a razor and cut this part right here so I can get it off. And the same thing for the second one. And then, okay, so we got them off. Man, these feel like your grandma's hip. She's just ready to give. Okay, so we got them off. And I'm just gonna measure the new hose. Yep, same exact one. All right, so we're gonna stick our 3.5 back. And we're also gonna test to see if, let me go ahead and disconnect this because I'm gonna need 2 hands. Okay, cool. So all I did was mark it and then cut it. We have 2 fresh lines. And yeah, I'm just gonna take this out and we're gonna see if that was the cause, because this was just really loose. We got our 3.5 back in, so let's go ahead and get these brake booster lines in here. And I'm not gonna be able to do this with all two hands. Okay, those lines are looking good, nice and snug too. Nice and snug, just OEM, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm gonna put things back together. Oh, I don't know if I can. Let me just test it out. We're up to something. Let's get this car down. Go. Wow. Okay, we're good, boys. We're good. Oh, okay. Rusty brakes, that's about it. That's not bad. Oh, we are good. Okay. All right, give me a second. All right, so stay tuned for the next video. The next video is going to be a lot longer because we're going to be doing some testing while I'm driving around. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh my goodness, listen. Oh, you can hear that blow up valve. That's what it was, loose wire. It was just, I didn't connect it properly. Oh, now you can hear that whoosh. Okay, so a while back, I bought Vader Solutions boost pressure adapter that tapped into the manifold's map sensor. And so it'll allow the blow-off valve to function correctly. The line, you know, going into the blow-off valve and then going into the manifold that I'm using is the stock line going in. But this 1/4 line here that I bought from Vader Solutions about 3 years ago, boost pressure sensor, boost pressure overrun, all that type of stuff. This line, boys, this line. So now I gotta search through every single thing here so that everything can function properly. Thank you, and I will see you next week.